beautiful day to go for a nice steam train ride down here in Essex, Connecticut. We got the Essex steam train and riverboat. Here's the captain here, Ari. Ari's talking to the conductor. Cool. Yeah, come on, love. We gotta go. We got coach.